working on flex gate, another flex gate issue. As you can see here, we have already cut the back spot out. This is the back spot. Now we are scraping the terminals now. You can see here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 terminal legs out, and this is what we are going to use in replacing the bar spot that was cut out. This is the one we're going to use in replacing it. So here we are also going to do a scraping, also scraping the terminals out also from this angle. So we place it this way and do a looping with our lead, and after that we now tape. So keep watching. Once I start this, when I scrape this, I'll show you how I did that also, so you also have that in mind. So keep watching. Hey guys, I'll just scrape the second terminal out. I just scraped it out. You can see here. Let's look at it from the microscope. So I've scraped it out. So it's for me now to make my contact connections now. As you can see, we are making the connections gradually, step by step. So keep watching. I will upload when we have already done the connections. Okay, I've done with the arrangement, the looping and everything as I've been told. So let's test now to see. This is where I did the correction. So let's put to test. Okay. Wow. Okay. Our light is up. Our light is up. So let's wait for the character to come out now. Let's wait for the character to pop out. Wow. Character displayed. Flex gate issue corrected successfully. Nice one. Nice one. Okay, keep subscribing to HGS for more upload.